In this episode of Doing the Most, we are starting a garbage wine. Garbage wine is something I do every few years just to clean out the leftover fruit in the freezer. You're going to see quite the mishmash of ingredients in this garbage wine. We're starting with 8 pounds of granulated white sugar and some hot water. As long as you follow some best practices and use good sanitation, home winemaking can be easy and fulfilling. Hold up. Zoom. Enhance. What the hell was that? We're topping this off with some hot water so we can get all the sugar melted and incorporated. This requires a lot of stirring. We're pitching in 5 crushed up Campden tablets. These will do a cursory sanitization of our must because we're putting a lot of unusual items in here with varied backgrounds. Make sure to remove any stray flaps of your sugar bag. Adding a bit more water. And now for our fruit. We're starting with chunked mango.
Chunked mango. Chunked mango. Chunked.
That's 2 pounds, 12 ounces of chunked mango. 3.7 ounces of cranberries. 1 pound, 14 ounces of pineapple. Two pounds, 2.5 ounces of apples. 4.9 ounces of pitted TART cherries. Four pounds, 1 ounce of BERRY MEDLEY. And for good measure, 5.5 ounces of shredded carrots. Once all that's in, top it off with more water, trying to get up to about 6 gallons. We're using hot water here to help thaw out the fruit. And then we're going to put in 2 tablespoons of pectic enzyme. And it looks like I need to buy more pectic enzyme. Pectic enzyme will help break down the fruit pectins to give us a clearer product at the end. Cap that sucker off, and it's going to sit for 24 hours. And then we'll pitch our yeast, which is going to be EC1118. It's a turbo type of champagne yeast that should cut through all the sugar in this garbage wine. After 24 hours, pop the top. If you can. We got some oranges in our stocking, so those went in. The gravity was 1.080, so about 10.5 to 11% potential alcohol, and pitch the yeast. So that will sit for a few weeks and ferment, and we'll do an update video once we rack it. And make sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to follow along with this project and see how this wine turns out.